Hi guys, this is the Python series. Now let's discuss about how to read the content from the file using the read method, read line method and read lines method. Okay, first let's see this example. How to use the read method to read the content from the existing file. Here I have used the R mode. Okay, if we use the R mode means the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Am I correct? Here this is my file. Inside the D drive I have this file. Okay, here I have used the with statement. So now only we have discussed if you use the with statement there is no need to use the close method explicitly, isn't it? So it does not let the file to corrupt. This is the advantage of with statement. Here I have used the read inbuilt method. Inside the read inbuilt method, I have passed the integer number. Okay. So it indicates that the number of bytes to be read from the beginning of the file. Okay. It indicates the number of bytes to be read from the beginning of the file. This is the file pointer object. Okay. So it holds this file. So now with the help of this statement, I read the 5 bytes from the beginning of this file text to file. Okay. And I want to check the data type of this variable. So I have used the type of method. Okay. Type of cont returns the string only. Okay. That content will be printed on our console. Okay. Let me execute this one. So this is our output. The type of content returns the string data type and the content from this file only up to 5 bytes. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and space 4 and this is the 5th byte. Got it? And read line method. Okay, this is also one of the inbuilt method to read the line from the specified file. Okay, so this is the file pointer object and read line method. So what is the difference between read and read line method? So read method returns the character. Okay, so if we give 5 means 5 characters we will get. But read line method returns the line from the specified file. So now let me execute this one. This is my output for this statement and this is my output for this statement. Okay. C1 is the first line from this file and C2 is the second line from this file. Got it? And if I want to read all the lines from the specified file means what I will do? I can use the read lines method. If I use this inbuilt method, I can read all the content from the specified file. That's it. Okay. Let me execute this. Here, this is my file content. But it returns the list object. Okay. So, if you want to check the data type of the C1, you use the type of inbuilt method, type of C1. Okay, let me execute the same again. So, type of C1 is list. Okay, these are all the lines from this specified file. /n, that is, it indicates this is the new line. It indicates this is the third line. Okay, and this is the fourth line, this is the fifth line. Okay, and if I want to read all the content using the read method, is it possible? Possible. How? You didn't, if we don't mention any integer value inside the read means we will get all the content from the specified file. Okay, if you specify the number of bytes here means the specified number of characters only you will get. If you don't specify the number, means you will get all the content from the specified file. Okay. Now I delete this integer value. I execute the same again. Here I got all the content from the specified file. Got it? We have completed the read method, readline method and readlines method, and how to open the file using the with statement. Now let's discuss about how to read the content from the file using the looping concept. Okay. Now we will see the for loop to read the content from the specified file. I am going to use the with statement to open the specified file. With is the keyword and open is the inbuilt method. First parameter is the path. D drive. AB is the name of the file, text to file, and the second parameter is the mode, R mode. Okay, now I want to read the content. So I have used the R mode here, and as is the keyword and file object FP. This is the file pointer object name. Okay, whatever you want we give. And now I am going to implement the for loop to read the content from the AB text file. Okay, for I is the name of the variable, in membership operator, and file pointer object, and colon, print I. Okay, here this file pointer object holds the address of the specified file. Okay, I have used the counter variable I, and for the first iteration the first line from the file will be copied and stored inside this counter variable that will be printed on our console using the print method. Okay, so this process is going on till the end of the file is reached. Okay, so we can read the full content from the AB text file using the for loop. In the last sessions we have discussed about the read method, read line method, read lines method to read the content from the specified file, isn't it? So in this example we have used the for loop to read the content from the specified file. Okay, here I didn't use the close method. Why? Because here I have used the with statement to open the file. Okay, so there is no need to use the close method to close the specified file. Okay, let me execute this one. God is always with us. Let me check. Open, read drive, AB text. God is always with us. Okay, now I change this content. Good morning. Welcome to my home. Okay. Now I close this one. I again execute the same. Good morning, welcome to my home. So, if we want to read the content from the specified file, we can use read, readline, readlines method. Okay, and we can use the looping concept, that is the for loop, to read the content from the specified file. Okay, I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.